People don't be good people. Like, I'm a genuinely good person. And getting into this world now that I'm in, I just see like people intentions don't be good, and a lot of people not genuine. That probably me up because I'm such a genuine good person. So that's what I got to get used to, knowing that everybody intention like me.
We're at Williamsburg Outlets waiting on Brianna to get here so she can get in and we can get on the road. It takes 3 hours to get there. And I am not driving. We'll be on the highway at 3, so we should get there by 7. Including traffic. My period must be trying to come on because I feel a mess. Makeup cute though. We are going to edit and get on the highway.
Oh my god. That's the third time I throw this fucking piece of steak out here. Keep falling back in the
Say hi to the vlog, Gabby. Gable. What is that?
Burrito.
Burrito.
Hey.
What's that on your head?
What's on my butt?
Your head.
My scarf, because my hair ain't did yet.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
Well, say hey to the vlog. Gabby, move.
Exactly. Hey y'all, I'm in the vlog. I'm
That's
in the
it.
car.
She said bye. Going to the quick stop to Target for a bathroom break. We got an hour and a half or an hour left or something like that. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, go ahead to the bathroom. I'll be back.
Give me a towel now.
Look at this, we're at the Ulta. Let's see what we can find here. Ulta real quick.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for
Bad night, but it was really nice.
and I can't let
Huh?
my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, one thing you make me do when I'm worth nothing. My friends want
We made it. It was kind of a rough trip, but not too much.
Get your rough.
Seriously. Why do they even have that?
What? Oh no! What the heck? Look.
The glass thing. Like, that's so creepy.
Looking at me in the bathroom.
44 and the show starts at 8, so we literally just walked in the room and we don't have a whole lot of time, but somebody said we're gonna relax and we're gonna probably be late, but of course she's probably not gonna come out exactly at 8, but I reckon we're not gonna beat the crowd, so we probably be in the back. But anyways, the hotel room is nice. We got a double king bed with a pool view. But as you saw, the view of the pool is disgusting because it's not pool time. But I imagine that when it is that time of year, this is really nice to have. Kind of, you know, because unless it's like those windows where you can't see. Oh, it's not, because I can see all the way in that hotel room right there. So it's probably like kind of weird when people are down there, they can see you, you can see them. Yeah, that's weird. But anyways, it's nice and clean in here, comfy. So we only here overnight, and by the time we get back, we probably just all be exhausted. So no robe, but that's all right. We ain't here long enough for no robe. But I'm about to go ahead and let my stuff out because I know it's gonna take me forever to do what I need to do. So yeah, and I'm gonna sleep on this side because nobody don't the furthest away from the kids.
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. All I don't need when I walk in. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't you?
Special, we're just gonna put some big curls in it real quick. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna hop in the shower, freshen up, and then just sit around until everybody else is done.
But all the bad model girls, they love the date. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut, I'm razor blader. I'm so laser, I'm so major, I'm so flavor, baby, I should have a clock on. Why you get your pretty girl rock on? For all my girls from Atlanta out to Stockholm. And they looking like, what the hell you got on? Switch your legs, baby girl, I got home. With the bread, new bread. And I'm feeling top fly like the fly. My swag hit on late on no one. It's just like you know it. Back when I was cold, I used to pull up with my poetry. Just take up the note from me, I guarantee you go with me. But the only thing I need to know right now is what a pretty girl like you doing. With a part of town, with a pretty girl swag and a country girl style.
Alright, we gotta put on our jacket. Should I wear my hat? This is the jewelry.
This hat?
Yes. Take the tag off.
I don't drink long.
Great. Doing outfit checks. Okay, go.
My jacket from
Outfit check.
My jacket from Sheen.
Faster, Bree.
My jumpsuits from Olive Olay. My shoes from TikTok.
Okay.
Go get
Okay, Gabby. Come on, Gabby. Hurry up.
She ordered my line.
All right, outfit check.
This is from
Rainbow.
This is from Tilly.
Yeah.
These are from TikTok.
No, those are from Target.
These are from Target, my stockings. These are from TikTok.
And
This
purses
is my
from
mama.
Christmas.
Huh?
Purses from Christmas.
Yeah, my necklace from TikTok shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damien, Gable, come on. Outfit check. Who first?
Jacket from my grandma, hands from the mall, and shoes from TikTok shop.
Okay, cute.
TikTok shop.
And that's it. Okay.
Why all of us got on TikTok?
I'm a shirt from Rainbow, delivered from everywhere. J Max, jewelry from TikTok shop, J Max Smart Show, jeans are Levi's, and what are these? Nike something, and yeah, that's it. And my hat is from Michael Kors.
Period.
Right. So we decided we're gonna walk to the because it's only a 6-minute walk, and it is a little chilly out here, but like I said, we're gonna do it. We're gonna see who's gonna make it.
Turn left toward Banneker Circle.
And also because the car is literally like right there and the hotel is right over there. So it would have been stupid to lose parking at this time of night. And I could probably last a couple hours and then we could lose parking after we get out of the nest.
Continue on to Banneker Circle.
On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stop a little pussy, hoe get some shell talk.
Get back up. If you fall, just pick yourself back up. Hey. At the end of the motherfucking day, the day gon' motherfucking end. But that's why I love tomorrow. These niggas don't deserve y'all. If that nigga ain't treat you like the motherfucking badass bitch that you is, like the motherfucking 10 that you are, drop that fuck ass nigga, he don't deserve you. Did you deserve to get treated like the motherfucking queen, the motherfucking badass bitch that you get up every day and be bitch?
Just got back from the what is it? Right, we just made it back to the hotel. We're about to order some food. The show was really good. I think I'm gonna take me a shower. Yep. I'm about to take a shower, and then the show was good. It was standing. General admissions was standing, and it was a lot of people. But it was fun. Glow is a true performer. I definitely like her style, and she gained a little semi-fan because I heard some songs that I want to go back and listen to. Definitely was worth it. So with all that being said, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. So we're about to go ahead and get this makeup off for y'all. So I don't know if y'all ever used the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is my top 2. I have another one that I really like, but this one right here is absolutely so good. I've been using it for years, and it takes the makeup off so good, and a little goes a long way. I've had this for a very long time. So anyways, let me take this shirt off because I know once this makeup, look at that. This outfit was so cute. I don't think I was able to capture the look. I might retake the look if I'm not. Yeah, I'll probably retake the look because I just thought this was so cute. Let me see if I can. Let me show y'all this necklace. I don't think I got a good view of it, but this is so cute. So I found this in TJ Maxx, and I think it was $140, I think, and then it was on clearance for $80. But it is so stinking and gorgeous. I'm glad this is really, I love. Okay, so we're gonna take our makeup off with this melt away, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, my Glow definitely got a. I'm intrigued. I'm definitely intrigued because her music, a few songs that resonated with me, and I really liked her performance, and she's definitely cute.
Standing on business and need Chanel shoe. Before I let a hoe play with me, I go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
Good morning! Happy Saturday, guys. Alright, we're about to check out the hotel and get on the highway. Quick trip is over. Probably stop and get some food too.
I got to show you in the worm.
Exactly, boy.
He was cranking.
Go ahead, Damien. Do it. You said you could do it. He went further back. The hell? Exactly. Yep. Sorry. Next ride. Okay, storybook.
Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't. What you won't do for the love. You tried it.